Hello everyone, myself Carol Pinto from 4th year. The topic on which I am working is Science Research Institute under guidance of architect Amol Suryavanshi sir. The case study which I chose was of Science Center University, Philadelphia, United States, designed by Smith Groups, spreaded over 77,000 feet square. The understanding which I got from this case study was there should be two types of laboratory, wet and dry, and this should have different storage. In this structure, the point which I didn't like was laboratory had to use artificial light. One good point is the architect tried to place all the corridors, staircase, and service area at the roadside. Between every laboratory and classroom, there are gathering spaces which light and ventilates. Auditorium has a separate entry also, that when there are any events there should be no disturbance for the other activities. There should be a recording room at the service entry or near the storage area to keep records. Before every entrance there is a landscape done. This landscape provides a foreground to the building and let the user stop and view the building. Site is located in Nasik, Maharashtra. The strength of the site is adjacent to the Mumbai-Agra National Highway, which helps to easy access. Site is near to the religious tourist point, which is Pandavleni and Syed Malik Falke Smarak. Site is surrounded by natural vegetation. Weakness of the site is located in the outskirts of the city. Large amount of noise produced due to the transportation of highway road. Site opposite has a large industrial area. Opportunities which we can get on this site are there is no well designed science center near to the city or in the city, so there is much scope for science center to be visited. There are many attractive points such as parks, gardens, water parks, and religious points. So due to this point, public must attract by science center. Threats: there are many points which are not developed near the site, so it is difficult to identify future development. Large amount of population due to industrial zone. There is garbage dumping area near the site. Concept: the concept was to create a space which has reference and reflection of the site context in it. Space to create memories, using the principle of science of merging two products to make new products in planning to create visual connections and excitement. The entrance to the site is from this road. Here there is a watchman cabin. Then the bus parking is over here. Then we park our. Then there is a drop-off point, and here are some outdoor sittings provided, which work as a waiting area. Here are landscape provided. Then the ramp takes the vehicles to the basement parking, and then it brings the staircase lead us to the upper level. And here are staircase and ticket counter. Then as we enter over here, there is a ramp which leads us to this level, and from here we can enter to the administrative area where there are sittings, display area, conference room, cabins, and washroom. Here there is display area. There are two entrances for the display area, from here and from here staircase. Here I have provided it on this level because so that it is easy for the disabled people to access. As we finish the whole visit, we can come out from this way or this way. Then here, as we come at this level, to go at this level we have to take a ramp, and after we reach this level, here there is a large space where there is an aquarium in the center, and here are displays. The displays are the windows are placed such a way that the displays the light can directly go on the displays. Here are another display areas uh, with their storage room. Then an amphitheater, this display area which leads us to this amphitheater, and also from here also we can access to the amphitheater. Then after, as we come over here outside, here is a restaurant and kitchen area. Then later we come to this area where we can take the ramp and go at this level. The whole area is covered area. In between there are landscapes for sittings and to linger around, And after we come over here, there is a water sorry, there is a green space which is a skylight. Then here there are auditoriums. The entry to the auditorium is from here. There is lift and staircase. Then we enter to the classrooms and two administrative blocks. Here there is a public washroom and staircase and auditorium. Then as we come out over here, here is restaurant and uh, gymnasium area and housing in the outside. And here in between there are landscape provided. To go at this level there are staircase provided so that we can go to this level. Also here we can park our vehicles. For the upper floor we can come through this staircase where there are two displays in the corner. Here there is a planetarium placed in the center, some sittings for waiting, and then there is a large display galleries where we can have display. Then we can come down from this part. As we come down, then we take this ramp and we go at this level. For the library, what I thought was like library should be directly accessible, therefore here there is another staircase. From here we can go to the library. The toilet and the staircase are nearby, that's why I have placed classroom at the first. The bookshelf, then and then the sittings are placed near the window so that they can have proper light and ventilation. And as at the same time on the upper level there are some rooms and cafeteria at the upper level also. This housing system is G+2. Here are the sections for the institute. As we can see, the contours are considered. At the same time, the section is not a monolithic section. At some point they are going up, at some point they are going down, so this way the journey becomes interesting. Here are some of the 3D views.